So this is Aryan Suzuki Domlur where I got my delivery of my bike. Now they have inaugurated the showroom now. So after that, you see there are one bike was delivered. This is how the showroom looks now. Lighting. So this is the service bay. There got 3 bays here. And customer launch here. Okay. You can see the showroom, the bike displays would be here. So this is 800D. This is Katana. This Hayabusa merchandise. So I come for the inauguration and now I'll be going for a small ride and then wind up for the day. What it looks like, showroom. And helmet here. So I was talking about the mic. This is the DJI mic receiver connected to the GoPro. This is for flash, speaker, the mod, max mode lens. Then the mic I have put it inserted it here. You can see under this. Inside maybe, yeah, see the lead cap. So I place the mic there on the helmet. So this is my vlogging setup. Only the cable is too big. I need to change that. I got another TRS cable. So it's all done. Thank you.